What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at a Pixoo Sling bag. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. And today we're looking at Dvoom Pixoo Sling bag. We're gonna unbox this today, show you how fashionable and how many things we can do with this bag. There's a lot of ways to customize your bag, and Divoom made that possible with this Pixoo Sling bag. So let's go ahead and unbox it. That's it. So like when you just travel, maybe you're going to a music festival or something like that, and you want something cool that people would just see it and just jump right into you. This is something that you can use. Sling bag. You can use this as a fanny pack. Have it around your waist, your chest right here or the back, and then something will pop up here. Maybe a little bit of surprise. Today we're gonna show you how that works and what it looks like. So let's check it out. So basically it's a pretty good sling bag, really. It's a pretty good quality. Let's just take that off. Right there. Sling bag, like you said, clasp. You can release that by doing that. Pretty cool design. Right there. Really easy to take off and put on. But it won't come off if you're normally just pulling on it. So that's pretty good. The back, it says Dvoom right there. Very subtle. Very nice. Here, let's open this up. Here, as you can see, spot right here, a little bit pocket. So you can add something there. That's pretty cool. There's a clasp right here as well, as you could see there, that hides the zipper inside, so that's pretty good. There you go. Let's open this up. So here there's a little lanyard that you can put your ID or something, your badge or something like that. You know, like I said, on a music festival. Pockets over here. 1, 2. Right there for your phone. You put your phone in there. Maybe a little bit of a wallet right there. That's pretty good. It'll fit. Boom. Zipper option right here, where it's a mesh pocket right there, where you'll be able to put all sorts of different stuff right here. Fairly big as well, so that's pretty good. Let's put that away. Here, there's another pocket up here. Boom. This is where you're gonna put your battery pack right there. And turn on the magic on the front here. There you go. I think that's it. There's also a clasp here on the bottom, as you could see there. You can adjust that on how much things you have in the bag. There you go. As you could see there. That's pretty good. So now let's grab a battery pack and power this on. Here we go. Here we have this massive battery pack right here. We'll just punch that right on there. Boom. Turn that on. And close her up. And as you can see, there you go. It's already powering up. Now, what we'll need to do is download the Dvoom app. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and you can customize this pixel area right here. So now we're gonna go to the App Store and search for Dvoom. There's the Dvoom app. Let's go ahead and install that. I already have it on, so I'm just gonna press open. So here what we'll click is the plus button on the top right. And then what we'll do is look for the bag. Right there, Pixoo Sling bag. There you go. Let's click that and connect to it. So here, as you can see, it's doing just random pixels right there. So what you could do is go to the app and search for any design that you want, and you'll be able to download that into your Pixel bag. So let's just try out one right here. Let's do the Halloween version here. Let's download it. Sending data. There you go. And as you can see there, now it's coming on right there. That's pretty good. The other key feature of this as well is you can customize it yourself. So what we'll do is you can go click the pencil button right there and then go animation. Here you can add any animations that you want. So for example, we'll just draw some random things here. Boom. And hit the check mark right there. Hit play. There you go. As you could see, a custom image right there. That's pretty good. There's so many ways to customize this bag. So this is why it's really cool. You'll be able to put anything you want. So here in this cover, there's a lot of ways to customize the bag, like a design, as we already did earlier. Animation, by creating your own animation, the one that moves. Kind of like this like button right here. Make sure to hit the like button on the bottom below. You can also put a text below. So for example, I wanted to put sub to tech tricks. Yeah, that's right. Boom. And then you can hit play. There you go. It would say sub to tech tricks. Here you can change the layers as well. Image and fire and different colors right there. And then you can also have effect. So for example, you wanted deformation, zoom. And then there's colors as well, where you can change it. There you go, RGB, neon, Miami Vice. All sorts of ways to customize the bag. There you go, let's go back. You can also do pixel coloring. So you can go task mode or custom mode. Let's go back. You can also put DJ mixer. So for example, let's turn up a volume here. There's a lot of ways, like I said. There you go, there's a DJ mixer. There's also the voice memo where you can record your voice. Let's just record ourselves here. Sub to tech tricks. There you go. You can change your voice. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks.
What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks.
There you go. You can even have a robot. What up, what up, what up, everyone? It's a lot of different options here, definitely. You can play games as well on this app. You can have a stopwatch, countdown meter, scoreboard, and voice commands. You can even have the weather on this Dvoom app, so it's pretty cool. On the channel, this is where you can add and remove a bunch of designs that you want. So for example, it's kind of like a slideshow. Right now I have three things. I have three things on my custom, so I can add another one. For example, let's say I want to add this guy right there, and then I want to add, let's say, Kirby. I want to add Kirby there, and then upload to device. There you go. Now you'll see the design that I've changed right there. That's pretty good. Kirby right there is pretty good. Awesome. You can also add a bunch of music here. FM, radio, or local audio. Cool. And then settings. So there you go. So let me know what you think of the Dvoom Pixoo Sling bag. Again, there's a lot of ways to customize this bag, and this is the perfect bag for you when you're going around the city and you want to look cool, you want to look different, you want to look unique. This is the best way to do it. And if you're in a music festival, I think this is the best bag that you can have. And it's small enough that it's very versatile, and you can add a lot of stuff inside. A lot of pockets, very useful pockets, and you'll be able to rock this without having a backpack or maybe an option just to have your wallet and your phone. This is the best way to do it. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the Pixoo Sling bag by Divoom. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified on the next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to check out my merch below at 1130.ca. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!